All right, guys. Good to be back. Good to be back. Good day. Welcome to this 4th of June. Welcome to the 3rd of June. So, a quick one before we start the stream. Let's come in the day on people's hands. So, let's say, Heavenly Father, we thank you for today. We bless you for today's stream. Anybody that's on into this room, bless their day, bless their week. Their week is blessed in the mighty name of Jesus. Whatever is the heart desire, you grant unto them in the mighty name of Jesus. Jesus is precious and holy and great. Amen. So today is Tuesday, and Tuesday we have okay. Like I said, I'm going to be trading. I'm going to be trading. I'm going to be trading New York. I said it before in one of my previous stream that I'm going to be interchanging between London, New York, but New York is going to be strictly every day. I'm going to be interchanging on when I'm going to be active on active on the stream. You get me on New York time frame. So today you can see that you have no serious red fuller, no serious red fuller. So let's go over to our chart. Let us work our way through. Okay, you can see that gold is already melting. I'm looking at this page closely. I needed it to close below the structure, but never go below the structure. Price close in zone for nice melting. So if we miss this, we still have another range here where price can cover. But before we do that, let's break down the pair. Let's break down the pair. Let's go from our daily time frame to let's go from our weekly time frame and let's break it down to our current time frame which is. Now looking at our weekly time frame, the weekly started off with a strong bullish candle and has broken above structures. Like you can see that price has broken above the two previous weekly candles. You can see it's a big strong break structure. But here's the thing. Here's the thing. First of all, the previous weekly candle never closed above this level of support. They never closed above. Instead, it came back into the zone, which left this place as a new resistance. So this became a problem. Now, price as looking like it's facing a support level here, but we don't know yet. So what I can tell you for a fact is that since the weekly candle has not ended, anything can happen. So you just basically anticipate anything going on the chart. So I can't really give you a full bias of what price is going on. But since this weekly never broke this low and broke above the two previous highs, so you can anticipate some kind of bullish momentum to the upside. So that I can see here. Now, if I scale down to my daily, you can see that the daily end a strong bullish candle, left a bit of bottom week, but not so good about the top week as well. So it's just both sides is just faint. Both sides is just faint a bit. So that I can see on the daily. Now looking at the um, so looking at this, let's take our daily time frame to the upside. Let's put our daily resistance above this place here. So this is where I have my daily resistance. So if I go over to my 4 hour time frame, we can see that on my 4 hours, you can see that on my 4 hour time frame, the value is currently bearish, creating bearish momentum. But this 4 hours here also fail to push the weak structure. So we can anticipate anything going to happen at this point. So price can actually decide to do anything here. So let's go over to our 1 hour time frame and let's see what's going on the 1 hour. So you have to work our way through to see how it's going to be. Now looking at the 1 hour, you can see that this level I draw of the uh, daily was price a level that moved. So you can see it on the 1 hour. This was the level that moved. So this was where price was supposed to continue pushing upward, but there was a failure and price started pushing downward. So what diamond price? If price wants to continue pushing to the downside, which I see now that it might not, and we just have to wait for a lot of sessions. So one session can give us is the bias for today. So what I'm going to do now, what I'm going to do, how I'm going to look for opportunities is um, um, in this structure. Now I'm going to look at how price has reacted up fast. So let's take this off. Let's take this off first. Now looking at this, we have what a support level below here, which is a good one on the 30 minutes and on the 15 minutes too. Let me adjust it to this point. On the 15 minutes, on the 30 minutes, and on the 1 hour too is a level. Now looking at the 1 hour too on the 30 minutes as well, We also have a support level above this level here. The support level here, which price is going to be rejecting off. And you can look at my left, the price rejected off the same level in the past, and what the price do after I did that, it drove upward. But this was not London section, this was NY. But we can anticipate some kind of rejection from this point if this point happens to be a strong area where price will likely reject off from. You understand? I know you guys understand. If this is like an area where price can reject from, we can anticipate price pushing away from this direction. So let's go over to our um, 15 minutes and see what price is doing on 15 minutes. So in 15 minutes, price is already rejecting those levels. You can see that this particular spot is holding on 15. You can see this spot is holding. So let's see how price goes. So what I will do or what I will anticipate is two things. I would like this price to close bullish. I like this price to close bullish. So if I get that bullish closure, like the way it's currently is right now, okay, let me show you now. So if I can get this price to close bullish like this, the way it's currently trying to do, we have about 6 more minutes for price comes in. If I get like a bullish closure like this, so I can spend the next candle to test structure just like it did previously. Then as it breaks above this own high, I can anticipate price pushing up. Probably I can look for buys above. That's if this level decides to be a strong level where price could, because this was a level where price we tested for multiple times and held strong. So that's what I'm anticipating currently in the next 5 minutes. So let's see if that's exactly what price is going to do in the next 5 minutes. So from there, I know exactly how I'm going to. From there, I know exactly how I'm going to react on that level. So that's what I'm seeing currently. That's what I'm anticipating. So that being said, there's nothing else to look at. But just another thing that we should look at is that look at the way the candles are pushing. Yeah, there's a lot of big candles going on the market, like a lot of big candles. If I measure this one candle, I can see that it'll be like 100 people. Okay, this is 70 people. So let's just wait and see. We have about 5 minutes. Let's say you can quickly look at GJ in the next 5 minutes before we come back to go. So this is GJ. 1 second, guys. So looking at GJ, let's go over to the daily time frame. Daily is getting that daily high. It has even fallen bearish. You can see it weekly. You can see how the weekly is. So let's go over to the 4 hour time frame. GJ is not doing anything saving contract and anything that will make me to be inspired to buy or sell. So the only thing I can see right now is that mm, come on. That's it. I don't feel like analyzing GJ. Let's just stick to go. Let's say I go close. So we have 4 more minutes. Okay, let me just break down GJ. Let me just break down GJ. Looking at GJ 4 hour time frame, we have 4 more minutes. So that's enough. Looking at the 4 hour time frame, price as the player of everything. Price has a level here, has a strong level of support here, which is price go below, and you can see that price close back above the level, and the price is currently trading above this current level as well. You can see this level, this is where price is currently trading above. Although we have a very strong, a very strong 4 hour rejection, you can see the 4 hour rejection, this price try to push up for free to consume. So that was doing a succession. So we have not identified how the whole London section was moved. We are looking at the current candle, the current 1 hour candle, which is about to end. It has no bottom, but price this 1 hour candle has broken above the previous 1 hour. But also looking at the way it is as well, price has not closed above this level. So this is like a level that we should be mindful of. And if I go to my 30 minutes, uh, what if I should look for any opportunities for buys or anything? I think I want price to trade above this level. Even though I know the range is small, we have about 20 people. So our price to trade above this level. This is where I can look for buys. And for sales, just below the zone. So this is only where I can see some good momentum for a small buy. For sales will be like below the zone. So this is what I'm seeing on TJ. Uh, that's all. That's all. This is basically what I'm seeing on TJ. So let's go over to gold. I think gold should be okay. It's pushing forward. Gold is actually pushing way higher than I expected it to push. I didn't want it to push so much. It is what it is. I didn't want it to push like push up too much. I didn't want it to push too much. But regardless of that, if we get a decent retest, we can buy it. We get a decent retest, we can buy it. That way I can send you. And looking at gold again. Hold on. Looking at gold again. Seeing what gold is doing. If you also get a closure above here, so it's not so bad. Get a closure above here, so it's not so bad. It's not so bad as well. Even though I know that the structure now is very wide. So if you get a closure above here, let me see. All I need is a retest and price can push up. So let me start preparing my stuff. So all I need is a retest. And this is risky. The 30 minutes is showing a different thing, the 1 hour is showing a different thing. They're all showing different things, man. 30 minutes is 1 hour is showing sales. 2 minutes is exactly showing a different thing. What's gonna happen is that I didn't open the high I didn't push it. What's going to happen is that in order for me to sell this, it's pushing up. That is really pushing up. Really fixing to. In order for me to sell this, I need like a 5 minute candle closing bearish. So for me to sell this market, I need like this 5 minutes candle to close like this. Close like this. Then the next candle to pull back up a bit. Like I sell. This is the thing I'll maybe sell good. But I cannot even buy it because it's already pushing. Because it can already push. So at least I can do now is wait for this level. I think I'll reach this. Let me see. Not yet, guys. Let me just measure the whole structure. Okay, guys, trade just got activated. Trade just got activated, guys. Let's see. Twenty-two people in profit, guys. No stops to break even. Already halfway to our break. This thing. 22 people in surplus. This guy. This guy. This guy. So you see our price is moving. So we can start securing profits here since price has moved over 30 people. For me, I'm just in break even. So the price come back to break even. So this is a level where price got to. This is a strong level of resistance. So price might reject on this level. So you can secure positions at 30 people. You get secure position at 30 people. So I think I got sleep on my entries. Looking at it right now, my entries go sleep. My entry go sleep. But if you got it on time, then that's my entry go sleep. So this is 41 people in profit, 1 to 1. 41 people, guys, 41 people in profit. 41 people in profit, guys. So I'm actually going to close my position here. I'm actually going to close some of my position here. I'm going to close some of my position here. So I'm closing one lot. Leaving one lot. I just close some position. That's been for us, guys. So this is the first trade for the month. So this is the first trade for the month. This is a win for us, guys. This is a win for us. So I just updated the group. This is a win for us. So this is a level that price might reject off from. So I'm starting. I've already closed most of my position because this level is a very strong level. You can see how price has rejected obviously multiple times. So we might get a rejection of this level. So if you want to hold it, you can. If you want to close, you can close full. Or I closed some position already. Although I got sleep, like I got mad sleep on my entries. Because price slips me a lot on my entries. So I didn't. My entry was like around here instead of the main entry. So I closed at 30 people instead of the whole 40 people move. But regardless of that, it's a win. A win is a win. So let me update the. Let me just update the chart real quick. Let me update my trades. Let me update my trades. So we're still pushing. Let's see if my rounds can get to 100 people, guys. Let's see if your rounds can get to 100 people because I'm seeing the trade. You can see it. I'm seeing the trade. I know you guys can see it. Still showing, but I'm seeing the trade. You can see it. That's my runners. So let's see if the runners can get to 100 people. If we cannot, then we'll show it. Yeah, show it. Well, I've already secured. That's the most important thing. That profit has been secured already. So that's. Okay, guys. While we are waiting to see how this moves, it's a beautiful, 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 beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful trade. Can I get like W on the chart, guys? Can I get W? I can spam. If you hear, just spam. Let me spam W, guys. Just spam W. Let me start by spamming my own self W. Let me get some W on the chart. I see pushing, guys. I see pushing. It goes to like, let's see if we can get 100 people. 100 people like around here. You see the entire zone. So let's see if price can actually push down there. So I actually have my stuff still kept there. So let's see if price can actually push. You get. At this level, man, price is rejecting of this level. What? Like it's rejecting of this level. It's rejecting it. This particular candle might stop us out. My entry is like somewhere around here. Okay, this is where my entry is. This particular candle right now, my it's B. Well, let's see. Let's see, guys. The 5 minutes is pushing over, right? Yeah. So it goes below the structure. You can always get flip downside and push down. No, you know that's one. You know that song, guys. You know that song. And what a good day to start. What a good day to start the month, guys. What a good day to start the month. What a good way to start the month. Okay, give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Okay. I think what I hit. I think about to hit B now. I think about to hit B. I usually very close to my breaking points. Very close, guys. Very close. Okay, back down. Funny enough, if this thing runs, it's going to give me more profit than my initial close. If I run, it's going to give me more profit. I think my one is going to give me more profit than my initial um, trade I close. Okay, guys, give me 1 second. I'll be back. I just need to quickly do something. 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, I think this trade, the way the 50 minutes close as its support level. So I think that this price going to push back. It's about to hit my entry right now. It's about to stop me out. This is where my entry is. It's literally that close. It's literally about to just hit me up. Anyways, looking at the 15, if I hold now and flip bearish and start pushing down, we'll probably just do a proper weak fill, filling up this 30 minutes session, which I highly down price will do. So let's see, let's see. Wow, now I can see flip bearish. I can see flip bullish. I'm about to get stopped out now. About to get stopped out. But that's it. I'm out. I'm out, guys. Alright, prices dropping out. And B. So looking at this structure now, this was a good win for us. We're looking at this structure currently now. What I can see for a fact is that price price can actually push up. You get me? Price can push up. That's if this 15 minutes. I don't know if I should probably look to jump because again like international, but if this 15 minutes any bullish, I likely say push to the upside. But bro, I am done. I'm so done. I'm okay with the win I had. It got to 50 pips, 57 pips. But the problem here is that I entered late. I entered like around this point, so I look out like I didn't even get able to. I closed like when it goes to this point initially, or this point. So I didn't really get the whole um, structure like you guys. I closed at that point because that's an area of resistance, like this support level. Sorry, this support level. I closed all this support because I know this place is a strong area. So if I was cashed it early, like you guys did, like the way I call it out, then I close as possible. But it's alright. It's all good. A win is a win, right? A win is a win. So guys, let's stick around for a while. Even though we have gotten our trade for today, so even though we're looking at trade for today, like I said, there's always a trade for the day, but it's not every day. Doesn't mean that the trade is our trade. You get? There's always a trade for the day, but it doesn't mean that the trade is our trade. Yes. So wait out, guys. So wait out. Look at GJ. Okay, let's see what GJ is doing. Oh wow. Oh wow. So GJ rejected off that level. I never got above. So that's the test. Now looking at that 4 hours. Now that 4 hours rejection I spoke about. So that's the 4 hours that GJ rejected off. You can see it. So this was the bias for the day. Let me put this here. Let me see where this is. Okay, you see the way the 1 hour closed, but we have needed the top quick. This is pushing down, gold be pushing up, right? I'm going to sit down now, because There's nothing going on, guys. There's nothing absolutely going on. We already had a decent win this morning on gold and good sales. So I had runners and my runners couldn't push up. Let me update the group that runners hit has been runners runners. So you can see the 30 minutes is actually when I spoke about this area. First of all, if you started watching the stream from the beginning, not the beginning, like from before the whole honor section, I spoke about this area. I was anticipating this um 15 minutes candle to close above this place, but it never did. So I can look for buys. That's when I was looking for buys before the whole buyer change. And I looked at the higher time frame and I followed off the higher time frame conference. Always follow. Um, if if your 15, if your lower time frame is reading with different buyers and your other time frame is also different buyers, go to higher time frame. Look at what the higher time frame is telling you. You get your rebuyers through the higher time frame. So that's exactly what I did. So I went to I had to look at my 1 hour, saw that my 1 hour closed below um, below, seeing strong bullish below with a big rejection. Looked at my 30 minutes, strong bearish below, not strong bearish, but close below with a good rejection. Then my 15 minutes also gave me a idea because the 15 minutes never closed above the level. And when the new 15 minutes started, it pushed up quickly, which is showing, indicating that the buyers might be coming. The moment I started seeing kind of flip bearish, then that's why I look to start shorting the candle. So that's exactly what I did. Yeah, and that's how we were able to secure profit this morning. So that was it. So now looking at this current candle, we have more 3 minutes for the candle to end. If this current candle, this current, which has 10 minutes, if this current 15-minute candle close strong bull above the structure, like the strong bullish candle, like sorry, the strong bullish candle above the structure, you can anticipate price pushing upward because price will close this way. Then you can look for price to retest the zone. Then you can look to buy to the upside. Like this is that if this is true, the true London buyers for the day. So this is what we want to anticipate. But in order for that to happen, you need this trending to close strongly above the zone. And you see how the range from the zone is over 70 people, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, 50 people, which is also good. I'm not trying to be greedy, and I'm not trying to lose any profit I have. So what's going to happen is that we're going to wait it out and see how the price unfolds. So whatever price does, I will look to place a trade. Okay. So that's exactly what I'm doing currently now. So I'm waiting 2 more minutes and we'll know what we're going to do. Okay, guys. I think I'm going to end the stream now since this price didn't do anything. So I thought you actually call it out for you guys, so you guys can look at the trade. But since price is not be we have to follow the trade. Now the beautiful win today. Thank God that the trade went exactly how we wanted. We're not greedy. We saw what we wanted. Price moved the way we wanted and push our position. So I'm going to see you guys tomorrow, same time tomorrow. Come on time, come early so we can make money together. Okay, so we can make money together. So bye guys.